Welcome to this session on why three-phase power is more efficient than single-phase. We will build an intuition for how it works, from the basic waveforms up to real-world equipment. No prior background in power systems is assumed. Here is our agenda for this video. We will start by examining the pulse of single-phase power, move to the mechanics of three-phase systems, explore the efficiency gains, and finally look at where this technology is used in the real world. Single-phase power is not steady. As you can see in this chart, the instantaneous power swings from zero to peak twice every cycle. This pulsing effect places mechanical strain on components like motors, lamps, and heaters. In a three-phase system, we use three windings, spaced 120 degrees apart. While each individual winding produces an alternating wave, they are staggered in time. The result is that no two phases are at zero at the same instant. When you combine those three phases, the ripples cancel out, resulting in a constant flow of power. This stability is the key to why three-phase systems are more efficient, leading to smoother motor performance and no light flicker. Beyond stability, three-phase systems offer practical benefits. They require about 25% less conductor material to deliver the same amount of power. Furthermore, these systems allow for self-starting motors and more compact designs. The three-phase arrangement naturally creates a rotating magnetic field. This allows motors to start on their own without the extra capacitors or windings required by single-phase motors. This leads to a simpler, more durable design. Because of these advantages, three-phase power is the standard for heavy applications. You will find it driving power grids, factory equipment, marine propulsion systems, and the high-speed chargers used for electric vehicles. To summarize, three-phase power provides constant, ripple-free energy, uses less material, and enables simpler, more efficient motor designs. It is the backbone of our modern industrial infrastructure. Thank you for watching.